Hello everyone, and today we have really interesting lesson because we will know how to apply Euclidean algorithm from discrete math to C++. Sorry. Um, so first of all, let me actually remind you what is Euclidean algorithm. I need some paper for this. Let me remind you. So yeah, there is code for, and it's not ChatGPT. Actually, I wrote him by myself, but ChatGPT did some improvements. Wait, and actually GCD, yeah, we will find GCD of 50 and 50 and 14. 50 and 14. So yeah, let me first of all, let me introduce you Euclidean algorithm, because I didn't make a lesson on it, but it's actually really simple. You will understand it in 5 minutes. Okay, so we have 50 and 14, and we need to find the greatest common divisor of these two numbers. First of all, what we need to do? We need to find the maximum of these two numbers and divide it by minimum. So what is the highest number of these two numbers? Of course, it's 50. So next step, we divide 50 by 14. We divide it. 3, I guess. 2, 1. Yeah. And we have remainder 8. So we can write that 50 is equal to 14 multiplied by 8. Oh, sorry. I'm stupid. 14, of course, multiplied by 3 plus our remainder 8. Now, the next step of Euclidean algorithm, we from these two numbers, 50 and 4, that we got, we take minimum and divide it by our remainder. So minimum is 14, and we divide 14 by 8 is equal to 6. Yeah, so remainder is 6. So 14 is 8 multiplied by 1 plus 6. Okay, and we do this algorithm until we have remainder as 0. Okay, so what we need to do next? We need to divide 8 by 6. So 8 by 6, it's 6 multiplied by 1 plus 2. And then 6 divided by 2. 6 is equal 2 multiplied by 3 plus 0. And as you can see, we have remainder 0. So our greatest common divisor will be the previous one remainder. That means that it's 2. So we can write that GCD of 15 and 14 is equal to 2. Okay, so but how we can write our code in C++? And it's actually more difficult. Okay, of course we need to include IO stream. Yeah, and we create a function int. Let me call it GCD actually, with two numbers, int a and int b. It's our two variables that we have got. Now Let me actually, according to our example. So first of all, what we need to do? The main thing is remainder. So what is remainder? Let me call it int remainder is equal to what? Remainder it's maximum of these two values. Of course I need to, for maximum you need to include algorithm, its method for maximum and minimum, and of course using namespace std. So remainder it's maximum of two values divided, this is percentages, it can give us remainder. So it's our remainder. So next step, what we are going to do? We are going to use cycle while, and while, look, until what we need to go? While our remainder is non-zero, you know? So why our remainder is not equal to 0, we write such function. Look, for example, this row is actually this one. Look, like this. We got some remainder 8 on this step. So what we need to do next? We need to find next remainder, and from what its remainder consists actually. It consists of 14 and 8. And that means that what is 14? 14 is minimum of two values. So let me b is equal to minimum of two values and a is equal to remainder. Okay people, look, so we on this step, and then we see our remainder non-zero. We change our two variables. We change it's a, let me write, this is a and this is b. So we change b as minimum of two values. Minimum of two values is 14, so b is the same, and a is equal to remainder. Remainder we have 8, so we will get 14 and 8, and these numbers we actually wanted. Okay, and next step is, of course, remainder is our new remainder, which consists of previous remainder and minimum. It's from Euclidean algorithm, if you understand me. Okay, remainder, and of course it's the same thing as there. It's the same thing, you know, it's the same. So, and we do it until our remainder is equal to 0. And when our remainder is equal to 0, so what we choose? On this step, on this step, what variables we got? We got 50 and 14. We got and what is it's a and it's b. So then we have wait, B is minimum. So there would be B, and there would be remainder. Look, it's remainder. So it's A. Then one more cycle. It is B is minimum. Then B will be 8, and A is equal to remainder. It's A. And then B is minimum. B is this one, and A is remainder. Yeah, and what we need to put in our answer? We need to put A. We need to put A. It is our... Look, it's our remainder. So, return A. Return A. That's all. So now, int main, what variables we put? We put A, we put B, and sin A and B, and then cout GCD of A and B. Okay. Okay, I think, yeah, of course, guys, of course, we need to don't forget about all this stuff. And look what we got. Error LD returned one exit status main. Wait, of course I need to return, of course, guys, don't forget to write return. Int main. What is wrong? Wait, I don't understand. But wait. Define reference to main. Using namespace std int reminder while b main reminder turn main int b sin. Wait, what is actually wrong with my... Let me actually put it there. And what is missing, I guess? What's wrong? Let's see. You got the critical bug. Wait. He gave me... Wait, int AB, int... Yeah. Return B. Int A, B, cout. Wait, I wrote everything correct. Include algorithm. Wait, B is equal... A is equal and B is remainder. Okay, let me change it a little bit. Like this. Is it actually working? I will write then that he will compare these two code. My is the second one. Wait. Some minor differences. The use is unnecessary. B is not equal to 0. Oh, whoa. Wait, why? It's working, wait. It's working, am I right? 50 and is equal to 2. So what is in the remainder? What is different? It's all the same. And what is different? Int AB maybe. Okay. Int AB? No. Bro, what is? They are identical. Okay, let me to know. Wait, what is wrong with this compiler? What is wrong with this compiler? I wrote everything is correctly. So yeah, as you can see, we change variables. One variable, it doesn't matter. We can look. We can do this. We can do even this. Yeah, we can do even this. 15 and 14 is actually 2. Because look, it's not my bad. It's just compiler online GTB. I don't know. Look, yeah, we take remainder, and while our remainder is not non-zero, then we change variables. We took, as in the Euclidean algorithm, we took two new variables, remainder and minimum of these two variables, and new remainder is with these variables, okay? And we do it until our remainder is not equal to 0. So when it's 0, then we return A. A, it is actually previous remainder. I hope you understand.
I don't know if these niggas gon' like this. I be feeling like these niggas don't like me. The only thing that saved them from me was the virus. I be fucking niggas.
If you have any questions, then ask me in the comments.